Okay, I just got in this 10-inch ring light. It also has a microphone, has an attached camera so you can click it with like hands-free. It's foldable and it acts as a selfie stick. So what I did was just turn the ring light on. It also has a very long cord. Like the cord goes pretty much almost across my entire room, which is really convenient because obviously you can see I don't normally film here. It's a disaster in the background. So I have the option to move it around if I need to. And the power buttons for the ring light are literally just on here. So you click the buttons, you can dim, you can change the color of it, right? If you don't like cool light, warm light, regular, whatever. And then here's the dim feature, minus. So I love having a ring light option. It has the MagSafe. So if you have a phone that's compatible, you can also attach this little ring to it. And then for phones that are not MagSafe, like mine, I have an older iPhone, it's actually really convenient because it also has the option of like the old clamp. So what I'm gonna do is push this up and then you can put your phone here. So this is nice because it rotates all the way around. So depending if you want vertical or horizontal, you can just twist it and it clamps so that it keeps it nice and tight as well. I'm gonna take this ring light off. This was the only thing I had to attach and all I did was just twist and turned it. So let's say you want to bring this on vacation as a selfie stick, you totally could. Let me just untwist this for you. I personally am going to use it as a ring light because I like to use it for like filming and stuff. So all you need to do is put this little piece back on. And then you have the option of putting your phone here or twisting this down if you don't want it like that. Okay, so everything is collapsible, which is super convenient. Has a tripod bottom. It even has this little like pressure point thing to help stabilize it. And then it all clicks together if you want to fold it and use it as a selfie stick instead. It also extends, and then let me show you the microphone. I was really impressed that it came with a microphone and the attachment for it because this is like an all-in-one influencer kit or filming kit. When I first started, I had to buy everything separately. So the fact that it comes with the ring light, the selfie stick, the tripod, and the microphone is really convenient. Oh yeah, that reminds me, let me show you the little remote that there is. So it actually detaches. So if I'm filming far away or across the room, I can just hit the camera button and it'll sync with my phone for Bluetooth and then it will automatically start filming. But great quality, comes with so much. The brand actually sent it to me and I am very impressed.